Act like a bitch and I'll treat you like one. Crawl to me. All the way, darling. Almost there. That's it.
Eat it. It's good.
Yo, so bitch wasn't no good if it hit him.
Yeah.
Not again.
How can I be adopted when I have a twin sister? Think, monkey. Think.
Down to Lee Cooper, you dog!
Cooper, you dog.